Hi, I'm John Griesbach with Diamond H2O. Today I'd like to just talk to you about your bypass, how to use it. So, whether you get a Patriot single or twin water softener, a Freedom twin water softener, or a Refiner water filter, you're going to find that this valve comes on all 1 inch or 1.25 inch valves. Okay? What is this bypass valve for? Well, it goes directly onto your particular system, and it allows you to quickly divert water away from your system. What this means is if your bypass is off or if the system's in bypass, water will come into the unit, it'll go through the interconnect of your bypass and right back out to your outlet. No water will get into your piece of equipment. Okay? To open the water back up to your piece of equipment, you simply turn the knobs a quarter turn, and the arrows only turn one way and point in the direction